guys, have a good day. This is Irma Villaro and this is my learning of personal development. During the task, I learned how to be obedient and active, especially of performing Zumba exercise. It makes my body become energetic and capable of doing a lot of things. It also develops my talent in dancing and functions my body well. Thank you to Sir Hector Cabangca because through his lessons and guidance, I learned a lot of things. Though that is not easy for me to do but molded my personality to become more active to all things. It rather make me learn how to control my emotions, stress signals, how to manage my time to do the task in proper way. Personal development is the conscious choice to improve life, to become a better person, and to grow as an individual. That's all. Thank you and thank you for watching. Bye.